That's right, guys. It's me, James Swinney, Monday afternoon on the NYSE, and I'm full of energy today. Yes, the markets, they're doing pretty well, but I'm also pretty much full of energy from a great weekend. We had the Nets beat the Knicks. We had Chelsea beat Liverpool. And I was in Atlantic City Saturday night. Got to see B-Hop Bernard Hopkins, have most likely his last fight of his career against Kovalev. And yes, he lost, but it was a great fight nonetheless. And again, I'm full of energy. You know why? It's after 4 o'clock. The markets are closed. I've got my jacket on. I want to run out of here. Why? Because it's happy hour in New York City. Now, U.S. stocks rising Monday afternoon, even leading the way for the big board and the other markets to trade at intraday record highs once again. Record highs that were just set last Friday. This time not due to economic reports, but due to corporate results, especially with the corporate earnings season coming to an end very soon. Now, we first begin on the economic front. Why? Because there's not much to say. There was nothing on the economic front, especially with tomorrow being the Veterans Day holiday. And yes, the markets are open, and yes, I'm going to be here. However, on the corporate front, there was a lot of action, and this time we'll switch it up a bit during the report. We'll first begin on the corporate front with Time Warner Cable as well as Comcast declining after President Barack Obama urged an explicit ban on paid prioritization in order to protect the open internet. President Obama said in a statement that there should not be any slowing of internet content, period. Meanwhile, Toll Brothers climbing after the luxury home builder reported a 29% increase in quarterly revenue, and Alibaba Group rising ahead of Tuesday's Singles Day in China. Veterans Day here in China, Singles Day in China, which has become the biggest day of online sales globally. You combine all of those great corporate reports and you have yourself the following: a session where the Dow Jones, the Nasdaq, and the S&P are at and near or about to settle in at record highs. Let's now take a look to see how the markets have performed to start off the new trading week. And lastly, we'll switch it up a bit today. We have to talk a little bit about commodities, mostly crude oil and gold. Have to talk about crude oil prices because right now, to start off the week, for December delivery, front month crude oil contracts on the downside one again. That's down about 0.1% to be at $78.54 a barrel. Meanwhile, in precious metals, we do have gold prices right now on the downside as well. That's down about $7 to $11.6290 a troy ounce, while silver also down today, nearly 2%. And last Friday, silver hit such a low that it was the lowest figure since February 2010. So there you have it. Kick back, relax, grab yourself a drink. I threw some commodities in there for you. Why not, right? And I'll see you guys all tomorrow morning. I've got my jacket on. I'm ready to get out of here. For ModernWallStreet.com, I'm James Swinney.